On the 29th of June 2022, the State Party Office of the Meghalaya Pradesh Trinamool Congress was inaugurated at Lower Lachumiere, Shillong in the presence of AITC National General Secretary Abhishek Banerjee, the AITC Meghalaya State President Charles Pyngrope, AITC Legislature Party Leader Dr. Mukul Sangma, and AITC Meghalaya in charge Dr. Ranjan Bhunia. On the same day, Abhishek Banerjee, along with members of the State Party unit, launched a pan-state membership drive during a State Party workers' meeting where he urged upon the people of Meghalaya to support the AITC in its endeavour to oust the NPP government, which is a proxy government run by the BJP. Speaking to media persons, Abhishek Banerjee said that the All India Trinamool Congress is the only party that knows how to take the BJP head-on and therefore have also set up base in Meghalaya to defeat divisive forces.
The mistake that BJP did in Bengal, they thought Bengal is Gujarat. Bengal is not Gujarat. If you think Meghalaya is Bengal, Meghalaya is not Bengal. Every state has its own identity, its own values, its own ethos, its own culture, and its own history. We have to respect that. I don't want to deliberately put something on the people of Meghalaya just because Trinamool Congress is ruling the state of West Bengal. We are in power in West Bengal, and I think the kind of governance that we have been able to offer, which is quite sustainable and conclusive, we have to offer that same welfare schemes and make the development more sustainable in the long run.
While asserting the fact that the All India Trinamool Congress is a national party, Banerjee said that though the opposition will try and brand the party as Bengali, yet it is but true that Meghalaya will be run by the people of Meghalaya and not by Bengalis.
Opposition will do their work. Congress was started in Maharashtra. Is Congress a Marathi party? AAP was started in Delhi. Is AAP a Delhi party? So opposition, as I said, we are a national party. National party, the status has been accorded by the Election Commission of India. I am not saying. You go and check with the Election Commission, there are 6 or 7 national parties out of the 1700 political parties in the country. So we are one of them with regional ethos. So opposition will do their job. They will try to label and brand Trinamool as a Bengali party. Obviously we come from Bengal, but I have the guts to put this on record in front of camera. Next time when a BJP, like you're shooting questions to me, with all modesty and humbleness, I will request you, next time a BJP leader comes to the state, you should shoot this same question to him. Like I am putting this on record and saying that in the next 6 months when we have a new government in Meghalaya, Meghalaya will not be ruled from Bengal. Can the BJP leader put this on camera on record that Meghalaya will not be ruled from Delhi or Madhya Pradesh or Maharashtra or Gujarat? Let them put this on record.